Okay guys, I'm back. I got it all mixed in and everywhere around my bowl is messy. So I think it's time to activate. I'm going to activate it and you can use whatever activator you want. It does not matter, I do not think. I'm going to use borax because it's going to make it less watery. Because Stofflo will make it more watery than borax will. So I'm going to go in with some borax activator. Okay guys, I'm back and the slime is fully activated now. So, I really like it. Sorry guys, bad at commenting. Just gonna put that there. Stick that to the side now. So, I really like it. I've never felt a matte slime. It still kind of needs to be kneaded. It's really hard to stretch right now. But I thought I'd bring you guys back so I can just kind of talk a little bit while I am stretching the slime and trying to get it pokeable and such. So, I'm so sorry guys. I'm really bad at commentating. I want you guys to think of a name for the slime. I'm really bad at naming slimes. If I had to choose a name, I would say mint chip or something, because mint chip ice cream, because it's so green and the little purple glitter looks like chocolate chips or something like that. So comment down below your name, the name for the slime. In a second, after I do some ASMR with the slime, yeah, no, never mind. I think I'm gonna get out another slime after this. I have some other slimes, and I think I want to show you guys one. So, yeah. Let me just finish kneading this a little bit more. Look at how that stretches. Let's also get some of the cornstarch out of here. Wow, this is a small cup, or it's a big slime. It's filled. So got almost all the cornstarch out, it looks like. I think people actually add the cornstarch in afterward, because now that I feel cornstarch on actual slime, it feels really weird. So I think that's kind of why people do it. I might just have to add a little extra. I've added a lot though, so I don't think I will. Okay. I know I'm asking you guys to comment a lot this video. I'm sorry. You don't have to comment any of these. But if you want me to do a special certain video, like showcasing a slime, or like doing a slime smoothie, or doing 30-second slime challenge, anything like that, please comment it down below, and I will try and do it to the best of my abilities. But yeah, I will be quiet so that you guys can hear some ASMR. Let me just put it back in the bowl. Okay. That's about it for this slime. So, yeah. I'm gonna do that showcase I was talking about, because I don't want to say I'm gonna do something and then don't do it for you guys, because that'd be rude. So I'm gonna show you one of my favorite slimes that I have. Actually, I'm not gonna show you that one. I'll save that for kind of its own special video with another of my favorite slimes. I will take out this one for you guys. So let me just move this out of the way for you. It's super bubbly. I really like it. Don't want that in that. And if you can't see on top, there's some really cool beads in there. So I'm just going to kind of play with this for you. I kind of got to hurry because the battery on my camera is running kind of low. So I got to hurry up. But I'm just going to kind of play with this for you and show you. Look at that. It's so amazing. I love it so much. Yeah, there is glitter in this. It's like a metallic purple one though. So you can't really tell. There's purple beads and then it's a blue slime. It's really awesome. I really like it. It's cold, which is amazing because it's summer right now. And so, yeah. I will put it back in its container and I will poke it for you guys, and that will end off the video. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in to this video. And that's about it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!